We're going to discuss the best Palantir trade to make right now. Currently, Palantir is trading at about $85. The low for the day was around 78.5, and this is down from over $125, which is where it was trading just a few weeks ago, meaning that Palantir has fallen by about $40 or around 30% in just a few weeks. And earlier today, Palantir was trading below $79. So what would I do right now? If you look at the chart, and I'm not a big fan of technical analysis, but it does give you an idea of the recent trading history. You can see that Palantir went all the way up to around 125, and then just over the past 2 weeks, it's corrected by about 30%. Is it going to continue going down? I think a lot of that depends upon the overall market. Over the final week in February, the market was very weak. However, on Friday, February 28th, 2025, which is the day that I'm recording this, the market was up over $90. Around 2 hours prior to the market closing, the market was around flat. But heading into the close, the market shot up like a rocket and it closed up over $90. If I was making a trade in Palantir, what I would do is I would go out just 2 weeks. I would buy a bullish call debit spread. I'd buy the 90, I sell the 95. This would cost me about $150 for every contract. To finance that, I would sell 2 of the 72s, and this would give me a credit of around $50. It would be 2, 1, 1. Actually, it'd give me a credit of around $75. So this is what I would do. And the benefit of this trade is that it has $500 of maximum profit, where your maximum profit is going to be realized if Palantir was trading over $95 at the end of the trading day on March 14th. On the downside, if Palantir continues to fall, then you have to be okay with owning it at $72 a share here. This is the structure and trade that I would make because it would allow me to own Palantir for a $13 discount to where it's currently trading at. If I was able to own it at $72 a share on March 14th, then that would mean I would take ownership at $53 a share below where it was trading just a month earlier in February 2025. So I think overall, if I had to make a trade, this would be the one that I would make. And I would also get paid for putting this on. I would collect a credit of $75. And you don't have to do just one contract. If you have a lot of available buying power, then you can do 2 or 3, and then you can bump this up to 6. And instead of receiving $75, you would receive $225. See? The estimated total credit would be $225. If you have any questions, then leave a comment below and click on the video that's popping up on your screen right now because YouTube believes that you would enjoy it the most.